Hi, my name is Brisa, and this is my elevator pitch for my fieldwork experience at the University of Alicante. So, my major is biomedical science and Spanish, and I'm also minoring in ethnic studies. While at the University of Alicante, I studied biology because they don't have a biomedical science program there. And my subject of research while there was the effect of climate change on the microbes of the Mediterranean Sea. I did this at the scientific park over at the university. I would walk down this walkway right here. It was kind of a long walk, like 20 minutes. And I specifically worked in EMEM, which is the Multidisciplinary Institute for Environmental Studies. And within EMEM, different researchers are studying different environmental problems. So the samples that I worked with were collected in France in the summer of 2022 before I was even in Spain. And they did a whole experiment with that, which you can hear all about if you come to the summit. So with the samples they collected, my responsibilities included to concentrate the samples via VivaFlow and centrifuge. And I would concentrate them until there was about 200 microliters left. And then after that, I would do click chemistry, which goes along with BONCAT. And BONCAT is a technique used to label and identify newly synthesized proteins in living cells. And so then after that, I would stain the samples with DAPI and mount them onto a glass slide. And DAPI is a fluorescent dye used for staining DNA and biological samples, and it stains samples whether they're active or not. And then after that, I would view the samples under the confocal microscope and I would look for BONCAT positive cells. This is an example of what I would see under the microscope. So the blue cells are the DAPI cells, which are active and inactive cells. And then the red cells are the BONCAT positive cells, which are the active cells. So alongside all the studying I did and my internship, I also was able to learn a lot about the culture and language in Spain. This family especially took me in and adopted me, and they taught me a lot of their culture by making me paella and different Spanish foods. After we took this picture, we actually siestaed, which is something that is really important in the Spanish culture. They also taught me different words. I was able to enhance the Spanish that I already knew because I am a Spanish speaker already. And I was able to meet people from different countries and different backgrounds, and it really enhanced my intercultural competence. And my experience in Spain is something that I'm super grateful for, and I hope to see you guys all at the summit. Thank you.